guys, welcome back to my channel and we are diving back into our Japanese adventure. Today we are heating up Kyoto. So we all know Tokyo's the big cheese now, right? But guess what? From 794 to 1868, Kyoto was the main street as Japan's capital city. Kyoto's also got over 1600 Buddhist temples, so you know it's a big deal. Our first stop, the famous Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine. You might not know that name, but I bet you've seen those pictures online. So in Japanese story, Inari is like the god of rice and business. Fushimi Inari Taisha is a Shinto shrine in Kyoto, Japan. People think it's Inari's main spot, and they've been doing their thing here since 711 Kom era. Visiting the shrine is pretty cool, but there's a bit of a ritual to follow. When you enter, don't stroll down the middle under the torii gate. That's for the shrine's guard only. Alright, time to pray. Head to the main hall where the kami is chilling. Toss a coin for luck. Ring the bell to get their attention. Clap twice, bow twice, say your piece, and finish it off with one last bow. Easy peasy. You can also write down your wishes on wooden tablets called ema. Hand them up near the main hall when you're done. So me and this dude were kind of scratching our heads until we spotted three folks strolling our way. Turns out we were supposed to give them some space. No clue what they were up to, but one thing for sure. That fancy get-up they had on is called karigu. Karigu is like the old school Japanese outfit used for fancy ceremonies and special gigs in the royal court, shrines or temples. It dates back to the Heian period and was mostly rocked by the high and mighty. The countless red torii gates really give this place a mysterious vibe. I grabbed some good luck fortunes. Suddenly it started raining, so we ran into the side to take cover, and the rainy scenery was surprisingly beautiful. While taking cover from the rain, I saw several elderly people sleeping under this tree. They then bowed to the tree and gave it a gentle pat. Not sure what they were praying for, but it must be something wonderful. I followed the suit and did the same. There are like thousands of bright red torii gates all lined up like a maze behind the main shrine buildings, standing tall at 233 meters, and it's all part of the shrine grounds. Lucky me, right into this cat just chilling on a pillar, acting all cool. She's a real crowd pleaser. While did the water basin ritual, took a sip, not swallowed, spat it out, rinsed my mouth, washed my hands, and gave the ladle a quick rinse, all set. Heading down the mountain, the market here is fantastic, but we are off to the train station to catch a ride to Gion. We've got a reservation at a Kyoto-style restaurant, can't wait. I'll be doing a dedicated video about it. If you're interested, be sure to stay tuned to my channel. On the way to the restaurant, I just love Kyoto so much. This place is totally worth a visit. Lunch was very enjoyable and satisfying. On a whim, we decided to visit Kiyomizu-dera. Due to our tight schedule, we hadn't planned to visit Kiyomizu-dera this time. Kiyomizu-dera is the oldest temple in Kyoto. There were too many people visiting Kiyomizu-dera, so we turned back at the entrance and we hope to have the opportunity to go inside and pay our respects next time. So we then head up Mijo Castle. You get the snack tickets for this one, which means it's not as crowded. We took our time strolling around, really soaking in the vibes. Originally built in 1603 as the crib for Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun of the Edo period, Nijo Castle has some serious historical street cred. After the Tokugawa shogunate called it quits in 1867, the place went through a glow-up, serving as an imperial palace before being handed over to the Kyoto city. The UNESCO World Heritage Site is split into three zones. The Honmaru, which is the main defense deal, the Ninomaru, the backup defense spot, and the chill gardens around both. Inside the castle ground, you will be greeted by the swanky Karamonge. This palace was the shogun's crash pad and office during Kyoto visits, and it's still holding its charm like a time capsule. If you're into markets like we are, I gotta give a big shout out to Nishiki Market. This spot has been around since the Heian period, thanks to some solid underground water action. It used to be the go-to place for hauling fresh catches to the Kyoto Imperial Palace, and it's been rocking for about 1,300 years. There's some serious street cred. Locals lovingly call it nishiki and dub it the Cajun of Kyoto. Let me tell you, the mixed rice with the seaweed and chili powder there is next level tasty. I'd happily wolf down 2 bowls if I could. Alright, it's dinner time for us now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.